Melly. Oh, Haley Bug. Melanie, take your binky out. Come here. Oops, there we go. Mel, turn around. Come here. Mel, can you take your binky out? Give it to mommy. Thank you. What are you doing? Can you say hi to Oma? Say hi, Oma. Can you wave? Wave. Blow kisses. No, now you're going to be shy? Alrighty. Well, say good night. Say happy Halloween. We had a great night trick-or-treating. Melanie. Alrighty.